Hi everyone, this is Manisha Sharma and I really welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Once again guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing exceptionally good, right? Yes. So in this video, I'm going to talk about all about myself. Okay, so what I do, what is my qualification, what kind of business I do, and what is my routine, and what is my qualification, why I'm making these kind of videos on YouTube, what is the reason behind that, each and everything I'm gonna talk about. So at the end of the video you can just have a kind of a idea what is this person is all about. Okay, so let me introduce myself to you guys. So my name is Manisha, and I live in New Delhi. And when I got married, I shifted in a Tajpur village. So presently, I'm staying in Tajpur village. Okay, guys, that is nearby Nazafgarh. Okay, what I do, if I talk about my qualification and what I do, let start talk about this. So my qualification is I have done English honors from Delhi University, guys. English honors, yes. I have done English honors from Delhi University, and it's not a regular one, that is a correspondence one, right, guys? And I have a part of it, I have 10 year of experience working in IGI, International Airport of Delhi, Terminal 3, where I have served two international airline almost 10 years. Yes, this is my that was my first job, and I enjoyed a lot and I learned a lot from my first job. So I want to tell you guys, if you are just watching this video and if you are interested to have some kind of knowledge about the aviation sector, so you can just contact me. I can guide you how to crack an interview of aviation sector, what are kind of questions they're gonna ask you, and what is the dress and what is the uniform, and you should wear when you go for the aviation sector interview. That all these things I will gonna make the videos as well, because I just recently started working on YouTube. So and I really have a hectic schedule, guys, so I didn't get a lot of time, but I'm trying my best to like possible thing, whatever I have learned from my life, whatever I have the experience, I can share with you guys, so you can get also kind of a help from this. Okay, guys. Yes, so I have that done in that I did it this on my past. What I'm doing presently, so presently, I'm running a play school. Yes, I quit that job 2 or 3 years back, the aviation sector job, and presently I'm running a play school, guys, in the morning 8:30 to 12:30, by the name of the Cocomelon Kids Play School, where we have this I have 20-25 students in my school, and I'm working as a principal there. I have one teacher, one maid, and my husband is supporting me. So we are just managing that school, and in the evening I'm just providing actually I'm running my own academy by the English Academy, by the name of the English Academy, right? And where I'm just teaching to the students. So I in that students in that academy also I have 20-25 students. And so as an English trainer, I never thought I will work as an English trainer. That unlike ultimately I did it, but I never thought of it. So in the morning I'm just running a play school. In the evening I'm just making a student teach spoken English, where I'm teaching basic, intermediate, advanced, and there are lots of fun activities, role plays, debates I'm just doing with the children there. And so guys, there is a one information for you. If you want to take the online classes from me and you want to learn the basic, intermediate, advanced, or super advanced level basic structures, or each and everything, have a conversation with me, have a session with me, so you can contact me, you can send me you can WhatsApp me, and you can just send me an email as well, so we can have that. Okay, so now why actually in the evening, after coming back to my offline class, I'm taking online classes as well. I just recently started this one, so I don't have like so much of a students, yeah, but I'm doing that because I madly passionate about this language, guys. I love this language, and whenever I speak in English, I feel so much of confident in myself, and I know very well, because from the very initial phase of my life, when I used to work in the airport, where I just see that what is the importance of this language, how important is this language. If you don't know how to articulate your views, if you don't know how to present yourself, if you don't know how to communicate in English, people will underestimate you, people underestimate you, people underrated you, people think that, people consider you, yeah, this is a boorish person, he don't know, she doesn't, she don't doesn't know, he doesn't know how to speak in English. Oh my god, we are not going to have conversation, we are not going to be friends with them. So I felt that kind of things, I saw this kind of things in my life in a very initial age. So I know how it is important. I really want to help people to achieve their goals, whatever. If you are a working person, if you are a woman, especially if you are a girl, being a housewife, it is very important to have a conversation. If it is very important to have a communication in English, otherwise all person or relatives or neighbors, everyone gonna demotivate you, underestimate you, that you are just good for nothing, you are just there for just doing the household chores and nothing like that. You don't have that kind of potential, so to do something by your own. So I really want to help those kind of women, girls and men who want to do ambitions, have such kind of ambition, to want to to want to achieve zenith of a particular field, to want to do something big in their life. So guys, I'm here for you guys. If you want any kind of online course, online sessions, want to know something about how to open a play school, how to open academy, how to do online classes, and if especially if you are a woman and want to have a conversation with me, you are really welcome. I will be glad if I have a session with you. So this is all about me, and I'm a very much ambitious person, because I wanted to I really want to explore each and every direction in my life. I don't want to sitting idle and just waste my time, and I really believe in manifestation, that if you want to achieve, if you really want to have something big in your life, so you have to start from here and you want to manifest it. And that if you have the power in your dreams, if you believe in your dreams, that definitely comes to you. Okay guys, this is all about me, and if you want to know that how I'm managing it all, and whatever help you are, just if you are watching this video, and I'm just requesting you guys, please help me and support me and subscribe my channel. If you get any kind of help from me, I'm there for you. All right, and please guys, support me. I really need your support. Okay, thank you so much guys, I really love you, and I'm just waiting for you to have a session with you. Okay, thank you so very much.